Ready to unlock the power of cloud communications? Here's how to get your Plivo account set up in minutes. First, navigate to the Plivo website. You'll typically find this by searching for Plivo in your preferred search engine, or by typing Plivocom directly into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the homepage, look for the prominent Sign Up Free button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the page and is often a bright, contrasting color to make it easy to spot. Click on this button to begin the registration process. Now, you'll be presented with the sign-up form. You'll need to provide some basic information. This includes your full name, a valid email address that you check regularly, and a strong password. Make sure to choose a password that's secure and memorable for you. Depending on your use case, Plivo may also ask for your company name if you're an individual developer or not representing a company. You can often enter your personal name or a project name. Here you might also be prompted to select your industry from a drop-down menu. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Before you can finalize your account creation, it's crucial to review Plivo's terms of service and privacy policy. Tick the box to indicate that you have read and agree to them. This ensures you understand the platform's guidelines. Once all the required fields are filled in and you've agreed to the terms, click the Create Account or Sign Up button to submit your registration. Congratulations, you've just taken the first step. You'll likely receive a confirmation email shortly after. Open this email and follow any instructions to verify your account. This is a standard security measure to ensure your email address is valid. After verification, you can log into your brand new Plivo account and start exploring the powerful communication tools at your fingertips. From SMS and voice APIs to phone numbers, the possibilities are vast. And that's it. Successfully opening your Plivo account is that simple. Happy building.